Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte and today I am making a wooden decorative birdhouse. For the base and the roof of the birdhouse, I use a box with a lid. I start by dyeing the box with the food coloring that I have at home. For this, I wet the box with water and then I apply the dye. You must not put a sealer before using this method. I do the same thing with these skewer sticks that will serve as bar for the cage. Now I stick the skewer stick to the base of the cage with white glue at regular intervals. Here I stick the large decorative bird all around the base and the small one all around the roof. I bought these birds all done. Here I measure the opening of the door and I cut it out. There I check if the roof fit. Now I cut the tip of my skewer stick to make it easier to them to stick the roof. There I stick the skewer stick to the roof. It's time to make the door. I use a skewer stick and coffee stick that I have previously dyed. I make a very simple rectangle. For the hinge, I use 18 gauge aluminum wire. Then I put the door. Now all I have to do is to stick the horizontal bar made of coffee stick. If you like this video, click like, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friend.